Welcome to the installation video for the Eroute 8000 FR electric wheelchair. First, attach the joystick so that you can unfold the wheelchair. Switch the wheelchair on, and then you must press the left button on the joystick and the horn button to start unfolding the wheelchair. The wheelchair comes with instructions, charger, headrest attachment kit, and remote control. Add batteries to the remote control, switch on the wheelchair and then the remote control, and try out the remote control functions where you can fold, unfold, or drive the wheelchair remotely. You can see the different combinations of buttons to press to fold or unfold in the video. Now, let's attach the headrest using the kit you got in the package. Unfasten the cushion and attach the sleeve to the wheelchair. Don't tighten too much. First, come into the headrest sleeve and then tighten properly. Do the same on the other side. The headrest is height adjustable via a button on the rear. The side armrest can be easily folded away. There's a lever on the side to position the backrest. The wheelchair is now ready for use. The wheelchair can also be used manually, but you must first switch off the motors using the red levers. Charging the wheelchair is simple. You can charge it directly on the wheelchair, or you can charge just the battery outside the wheelchair. Controlling the wheelchair is not complicated. There are plus and buttons on the joystick to adjust the sensitivity of the control, a horn, and then buttons for unfolding and folding. The wheelchair is then controlled by a large lever. To fold, press the bottom left button and the horn button. To unfold, press the bottom right button and the horn button.